Hey there. Have you ever thought about starting an online business but felt hesitant because you don't want to show your face? Faceless marketing is the new wave, and it's changing the game for entrepreneurs everywhere. Let me break it down for you. Faceless marketing is all about leveraging automation, creativity, and strategy to build a profitable online business, all while maintaining your privacy. And trust me, it's a lot easier to get started than you might think. Whether you're camera shy or just prefer working behind the scenes, this approach lets you focus on what really matters, creating value and building a thriving digital business. With faceless marketing, the possibilities are endless. Start by creating a digital product that solves a problem or fulfills a need. From ebooks and online courses to templates and tools, the key is to focus on a specific niche. And once you've got your product, the next step is building your brand. Establishing a strong, faceless brand identity doesn't require showing your face. Think logos, colors, and a unique voice that resonates with your audience. This not only builds trust, but also helps you stand out in the crowded digital space. Now let's talk about marketing. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and even Pinterest are perfect for faceless marketing. You can create engaging short-form videos, leverage trending hashtags, and even partner with influencers to grow your reach. And remember, consistency is key. One of the best parts about this business model, automation. Imagine having tools that post your content, send emails to your subscribers, and even manage your sales funnel, all on autopilot. It's the secret sauce to scaling your business while saving time. If this sounds like something you'd love to explore, I've got something special for you. The Ultimate Faceless Beginner's Blueprint. This ebook is a step-by-step guide to launching your own faceless digital product business. It covers everything from creating your product and branding to marketing and automation. Don't just take my word for it. Jessica, David, and Emily have already started their journeys, and their results speak for themselves. This blueprint has everything you need to get started. So, are you ready to dive into faceless marketing and take the first step toward building your dream business? Click the link, grab your free copy of the Ultimate Faceless Beginner's Blueprint, and let's make it happen. Remember, success loves speed. It's time to take action. Let's go.